PangHaoTuck here. So today I'm going to show you what I've learned within 10 days after I'm becoming a YouTuber and Facebooker. So I'm going to show you the data behind Facebook and YouTube, and of course in the last section I would like to introduce one software called the tubebuddy and how to fully utilize it to help you to get more views, okay, and also make your YouTuber life more easier. Let's begin. Okay, so this is my Facebook page. Okay, I go to my page, then you can see this is my page. So let's go to the data. We click inside. So here is the inside. So this is the past 7 days of my data. For me, right now I don't have a lot of data, so I would like to look at here. Let's make the video short. I go straight to the point. Yep, I click page view. So we can see by section. Okay, by age, this one. Okay, so most of my age fall in between 25 to 34, and in country is mostly Malaysia and Taiwan. So from these two of data, I know what to do. If I want to sell thing, okay, I can choose to within these two places, okay, because most of my people are here. But this is my friend, of course. I'm not selling anything. Just for those who want to start to use your Facebook to promote your product, maybe you can consider these two places. Then by city, by device. Right now, most of the people are using mobile. Okay, and yep, let's go to my videos. I uploaded some videos. Oh yeah, for those who want to earn through Facebook, their requirements are quite high. You need to have 10k of followers, 1 minute views for 3 minutes per video. You need to have 30k. Then you need to maybe you have partner monetization policies, okay, to help you. So this is my past performance, and one of my most viewed video is why you need to listen to me in Chinese version. Okay, so let's go to posts. Okay, these are all my posts. Normally, if you want, we can use either one of the posts to boost our video. It means that we are paying money to Facebook, so Facebook will help us to work to spread my page or spread this post, okay, to my targeted customer. For example, okay, I choose this lah. It looks like this one is the most one. So this one is intro or preview about why I want to be a YouTuber in Malay version. Okay, so just now I mentioned it's a Malay version. So normally who I shall target, maybe Malaysian, okay, and Indonesian, because these two countries know Malay, can understand this language. So what are the main purpose? What are the objective? I want to get more people to react, my comment and share. So I click this. Okay, then my audience, who just now I mentioned my age, 25 to 34. Okay, so I will just change the age. Why? I can save more money. And also I can get the targeted audience that I want. You have to understand, if you are doing business, you know that every budget, every expenses, we need to use it wisely. If not, you are wasting money, especially in this very critical period in COVID-19. Most of the people cannot sustain because they do not have very strong cash flow. So of course, we also don't want to throw money into the sea and we cannot get result. So dear fans, please remember, select the age and also select the country that right now I'm using BM. So the country that I'm supposed to use is Malaysia and Indonesia. Then yep, then I save. Okay, this is just a demo. Okay, then I just boost this credit. Then you can select how many days you want to boost. Then one day, what are your budget? Maybe 5 ringgit. I will just recommend maybe 10 USD per day, okay, for the few 5 days to 10 days, okay, and you're just testing market, either that you can get a good result or not. Okay, if good, the commission rate is good, then you can continue. If not, just stop. okay, and maybe we think about your copyright strategy to get more people to hook into your post, okay. Yep. Okay, so these are the data that I want to show in Facebook. Okay, move on to YouTube. Yep. Remember, when you have all this data, you know who you shall target. So it actually help you to understand your customer base and also understand who you shall target. It's free. This data is free. Yeah, remember, guys. Okay, this is my channel. This is my channel. You can see. Let's go to YouTube Studio. So YouTube Studio, go to channel analytics, because this is my whole channel analytics. You can see for the past I have like nearly 1,000, then 19 hours watched, then 34 subscribers. So these are my videos. The most one is 343 views, and the average duration is about 1 minute. Here I want to share. Normally YouTube you're more likely to push video that have more views, and of course the longer the view duration the better. It's very easy. Means that it shows that the video that you are making is very valuable, so people are more willing to stay and look at your video for longer time. You just imagine if right now today you want to understand about dogs, maybe husky, then you type husky, then the video show you is about cat, then definitely you will just click, okay, you will just go to search for another video. So you have to be very clear that when you're making video, the title, the description, and the content you are sharing must align, okay. If not, the results, the view duration should be very, very low. And in this case, normally YouTube would help you to push your video to audience. There one thing that I can share is YouTube is using A/B test. Means that maybe your video is A, then there will another video like very similar to your content called B. Then YouTube will just put these two video, A and B video, to maybe 1,000 people, then to test, okay, just to test the market. So maybe within this 1,000 people, 600 people view your video and comment, and 400 view the B video. So by looking at this data, we knew that your video is better than B. So in this competition you win. So YouTube will just move your video to another level. For example, 2,000 view. Then you compare with another video. If you win, then you just move on to more and more audience. So this is the A/B test. You have to understand. So the better the quality, the more content, the more retention will help your video to boost more lah. Okay, let's see. Go to video analytics. No, I show you reach first. Just now I say how YouTube will boost your video. You help you to spread your video. One thing, YouTube will more likely to promote all new video compared to the old one, okay? Because actually in every split of second, a lot of people keep upload video in YouTube, and you have to know there's a lot of people doing the same content. So YouTube actually quite good is because they just recommend, if you have same content with the old one, you will definitely see yours video in the top. If there's two video lah, this one is the old one, maybe 1 year ago they did the same content with you upload today, so you will see your video will be the first, then the old one will be second one. Okay, let's see. This one we can see the impression. So 11.5% from YouTube recommending your video content. Okay, so I've got 5 hours watch time and 238 impression. Okay lah, so lah. So this is my playlist. The most one is Mother Nature and I. Yeah. So I'm most of my traffic are from Facebook because I use my Facebook to share as well. And this is my engagement. Okay, top playlist is my Malay version one. Okay, and my audience. Okay, so here also another one is same. My age is within fall between 25 to 34 years old. Okay, I can show you another one is the individual one. The one just now I show you is the overall my platform one. So right now I will show you the individual video analytic, so you can get another idea. Okay, let's use this. Why I want to be YouTuber in Chinese version. So this is my audio retention. Okay, this one is the overall one. Okay, let's see my views 106 4-hour watch time. Okay, like that only lah. Okay, so you can see this is audio retention. So at beginning, you can see this is the point when 30 seconds 40% of the people left, then 21% at 1 minute plus they left. Means that maybe here my intro is not that good or my content is too boring, so those who click my video, they felt that this is not the video that they like, so they quit. Okay, so in here we can like recall back and we just like tune, so maybe we can see how to make your video more retent. Okay, yep, and I just here, so 31% of my content are recommending by YouTube. See, not bad lah for me lah compared to my other video lah. Okay, engagement like that lah. Then audience. Yep, so that's all for YouTube. Oh yeah, I can also how to earn in YouTube. There are a column called the monetization. You need here. Okay, you need 1K of subscribers and 4K of watch hour, public watch hour. For me, there's still a long journey to go. Okay, next, also the most important one. I want to share one thing called tubebuddy. Here, tubebuddy is very important. Okay, for those who want to be a YouTuber, try this. See keyword. Let's say I'm using ukulele. Okay, ukulele. So this word that will give a score, 10 out of 100. It's very poor, but you can see why. Although the search volume is very high here, but the competition is very high also. So in order for me to get more views, to compete within the top 10 is not that easy. See the results. Oh, not me. Let's say right now I put PangHaoTuck, my name, plus ukulele. This one is more specific. Oh, fair. The score given is fair. Although the volume is less, but the competition is also very less. So if I get the result, see, 6 out of 40. Mine rank the first one if I type PangHaoTuck ukulele. So quite good if people try to type my PangHaoTuck ukulele in YouTube, you can see my video rank the first one. Although my views is very less. Okay. Next is the SEO Studio. So this one is also help you to plan about your title, your description, your text, your thumbnail. Okay, you can do it here. Then when you are uploading a video, you can just click to tubebuddy. Then they will just import all of the typed one, the prepared one, the ready one into your YouTube. Okay, let's say I also use ukulele. So the tubebuddy, they give it SEO score is 71%. Because our title and our description are aligned, both are ukulele. So here that there are some how to improve your score, like including your target keyword naturally in the title. Ukulele is my hobby. Okay, so this video I would like to show more about ukulele. Ukulele is a good sport. I don't know. Maybe I just add some words like hobby. Okay. Change keyword. No. Yeah. Ukulele vlog, blog. Okay, ukulele blog. Hi, PangHaoTuck here. This is a ukulele blog. Yeah. Okay, see, you can see there's some improvement because I just keep repeating the words like ukulele and blog. Okay, then so it's very important your title and description must align. Then next, text. So these are some of the text that TubeBuddy recommend me. Then also in thumbnail, you can upload your thumbnail first, or maybe you can just do it in YouTube. So it depends on you. Then you can apply it to video. Okay, last one I also want to show. Also a very not cheap but very powerful thing in TubeBuddy. Let's see, I go to my channel. Let's see, I go to one of my what's this? Okay, YouTube. Then let's see my subscription. Hold on. Okay, you can see let's see my channel subscription. Okay, the ukulele teacher. This is a very okay, this guy that have like 1 million subscribers. I can look at his stats. So normally in YouTube you can't see this, but I'm using TubeBuddy. I have this data. So his view in every day is about 50K. It's very high lah. Then how frequent he upload video is within a month he will upload 7 video. So I guess is 3 to 4 days per video. Then okay, let's see Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen. This video. Okay, I click in. Okay, my internet a bit slow. Okay, this is his video. Okay, see from here, this is also included in TubeBuddy. I can see by typing teacher, this video ranked number 18, 15, 16. See, these are all of his tags. So for a starter, you know what tag you should use. Then maybe you can find a video that similar content to your content in YouTube. Then you can like just see what tag he's using, and you can plan maybe you should use or you should not use, and get some ideas from there. So it's better than you scrap from zero. Okay, it save a lot of time. Yeah. So if you are interested in using TubeBuddy, you can go to my description. I will show you a link. Then you just click and go to their website and check it out. So I hope that this video can help you to get a brief idea about the data behind Facebook and YouTube, and of course by using TubeBuddy you can enhance your SEO and help more people to get to your page. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you. Remember to subscribe and comment below. Thank you and bye bye.